guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys how you can get new coins before they are being listed in exchanges. In this particular one, I'll be using Bybit to show you how you can get coins before they are being listed on Bybit. First of all, when you log into your Bybit account, you need to go to Launchpad. If you don't have account with Bybit, just check the description below. I will drop a link to how you can register on Bybit, and you also need to verify your Bybit account. They will use their NIN if you're a Nigerian to verify it. Okay, so after then you have to make your deposit into Bybit. You need at least 50 BIT, which is the native coin of Bybit. 50 BIT in order for you to participate in this launch pad. So all you need to do is, when you have done all that, or you already have money in your Bybit, you just come over to this launchpad here. So you click on launchpad, and after you click on launchpad, it will take you to the launchpad platform. Now when you come to this place, there are certain things you will see. You will see the snapshot period, you see the subscription period, and also the distribution period. So these are the period that it takes before you receive the token, and this usually occurs before the release or the launch of the coin. Now in this particular place, now we have the new coin that will be listed very soon on Bybit, which is the Apex protocol coin. This Apex protocol will be listed in the next 14 hours. So all you need to do is to have your BIT ready. Okay, so once the time comes, it will be listed, and it will be a time for, now is the time of snapshot. That the period of snapshot, you need to have certain amount like 50 BIT. So it will in your spot wallet, it will automatically be counting. Okay, once the time comes, once this 14 hours elapses, you will see a commit button around somewhere here. You see a commit button somewhere here. So you'll be able to commit the 50 or 100 or whatever amount of BIT you want to commit for the project. Once you commit it, you'll be able to get certain amount of this coin before it will be listed. And once it's listed, if you want to sell, you can decide to, you can sell. The listing price, according to what they wrote here, would be one Apex is 0.05 USDT. That is the listing price. And you know, most times when coins are being listed like this, the coins normally go up. Okay, because you see, you know, the ape coin, you know how it went up. So imagine that you are able to get like 10 of this Apex coin, and Apex goes to like $20 per one. That is how you'll be able to make like $200, you know, just doing Bybit launchpad. You can also do this on Binance, but I'm using Bybit to show you this one. If you look at this, you see previous coins that were, you know, that were listed here. Each of these coins, they did the launch pad, and they were able to release certain amount of these coins to people. You know, if you check out their prices now, you see right now you can still do staking and earn some of the coins, but normally I do the launch pad. Okay, so now is the snapshot period. After the snapshot, the subscription period, which will be in the next 14 hours. Then the distribution, it will be distributed to your spot wallet, where you can decide to sell or save, however you want to do it, or you want to buy more of it, you can then buy more. So once it's 14 hours, I'll come and show you guys how you can commit your BIT in order to earn this Apex coin for free, you know, before it will be launched on the for trading. Okay.